Behaviorism is one of the earliest schools of thought in psychology, and it originated with something called operant and classical conditioning. Classical conditioning, spearheaded and discovered by Ivan Pavlov, is the idea of behavior being affected by a stimulus. Pavlov discovered this phenomena when he was working on a research project pertaining to dogs and discovered that they started salivating before getting fed. Pavlov started ringing a bell before feeding the dogs, and eventually the dogs would start salivating at the mere sound of the bell, even if they weren't going to get fed after hearing the sound. This is the essence of classical conditioning. The unconditioned response of salivating at the sight or smell of an unconditioned stimulus, that being food, becomes a conditioned response when the dog starts salivating to a conditioned stimulus, being the sound of a bell. This harkens back to classical conditioning being a type of learning based on association, i.e. it's stimulus-based, where operant conditioning is learning through consequences, but that will be explained in another video. I hope you found this video informative and hopefully a little entertaining. Please make sure to leave a like and a comment if you have anything to say, and if you want more of this type of content, please make sure to subscribe so I know that there's, well, a demand. And have a nice day. See you.